All right, so this is the ToughBuilt XL Rolling Massive Mount Bag. And I'm going to tell you right now, it is a beast. This bag is just super tough. I mean, it's just well built. It will hold up to 150 pounds. It has a waterproof shell that is just solid plastic. It's impact tested. It also has all these fabric lined pockets that are riveted on, so they're not coming off here. Each side, all the sides have that as well. You got pockets here. You got a tape holder, again, riveted on here. Again, same thing on the other side. It has a ClipTech bar with one ClipTech hub, which makes it compatible with most of ToughBuilt's clip-on pouches. And of course, you can add more hubs and you can add more pouches, which is nice. This thing has a 15-inch opening for your pouch here, which is just huge. Again, holds up to 150 pounds. You have plenty of room for your power tools. 17 inches tall, lots of room in there. Now to get this to actually stay open, all you gotta do is pull these straps here, pull this up like this, and then on the back side, you got two straps here. Pull that, there, and there. That will hold the mouth open. And you can see now and you got a nice electrical tape holder right here. Now, the other thing I really like about this is the wide telescoping handle. It's got 3 height settings, so really you can adjust it to whatever's comfortable for you. And really the only times I've seen a wide handle like this has been on most of the stackable toolboxes, but not a lot on the rolling tool bags. So like I said, this bag is just a beast. It has pretty much everything you could possibly need. It's definitely rugged. It's got 6-inch wheels that will go over pretty much any kind of terrain. It's just an all-around really nice bag.